Okay, okay, here we go. 93% charge. Great, great, mate, great. Some people. Okay, I went inside once again to see what time it is. It's 5 in the morning, mate. Let's go out and have some fun, some walking. Okay, some morning walking. Today I'm going to Chandanagar station. Oh man, look over there. So I'm from Chandanagar. Okay, it's pretty bright right now. Yeah. Today I got up 4 in the morning, guys. Then it was really dark, but now it's very bright. Today I have got my spoken English classes from 9 a.m. and out there in the distance I can see somebody is paddling their van and they have got some fish on their van. Probably it's hard for you to see, but I should be out for morning walking every day, but yeah, that temple, there was a temple over there that was closed. There is a temple that's closed. Sometimes we come there. Banerjee grocery store. I'm headed straight for the Chandanagar station. Do you want to take the right turn? Getting a little distracted. Let me show you what it's like over here. So this is Bosepara playground. Some boys come here to play in the afternoons. Mate, I'm going to Chandanagar station and I must have a bold voice. That's like, if you cannot check that box, bold voice, yes I have, then it's hard for you to be a vlogger. So that's one of the most, oh man, look, that was huge. That's one of the most basic requirements to be a vlogger, that you must have a bold voice and people can understand what you are saying. Anandamoy Sweets, Siddheshwar Jewelers. I sometimes come here to the Anandamoy Sweets. I recently came here, bought some danadar, laddu and some kheer kodam. Okay. Doing pretty good so far. People don't generally see a boy with a camera in his hand like this, so sometimes some people notice you and they turn their head, but nowadays I'm used to it. Bro, I must get out for vlogging or morning walking every day. There is no better friend than health.
By the way, let me tell you, you can guess these glasses don't really have any power in them, but I like wearing them because it makes me feel safe. Over there I could see Vivekananda ji. Dale Philip, Luke Jamant, I love them and they are greatest vloggers that I can think of. Australia and then Scotland. Then there are Anandamoy Sweets, Kholishani Goreddhar Chandanagar. It's a new store that they have opened up over here. And over there Sitaram Sweets, Ashirwad Mishtano Bhandar, Sultan's Garage. I should be careful with my hand. Okay. Okay, almost there guys. I can now hear the announcements. Let's see how many people there we have in the station. চন্দননগরে কাজ প্রচুর ইয়ং বয়স্ক সিকিউরিটি গার্ড চাই. Some people are looking for security guards. Okay. Almost there. Mihir Bhai. Have you heard this name? Mihir Bhai. Like astrologer basically. Okay, let's see. Man, I generally hesitated a little before when I see a lot of people there. But I better get over it. Otherwise I cannot grow. Just pushing my limits, guys. Okay, got in the public place. Okay, over there, Chandanagar, written in 3 different languages. Over there we have some fish market. Later I'll show you the market. Okay, but for now let's go and see the station, Chandanagar station. Some ticket counters, automated. Okay, 5:18, that's the time. Okay, let's first take a look of the platform number 1. Then man, maybe there are some officials, they may cause a problem. They should not cause a problem. It's nothing wrong or anything like that. Some people are waiting with their stuff. They are waiting for the train, and when the train comes up, they will hop into the train and in the vendor compartment. Currently I am on platform number 1 and Chandanagar has 3 platforms. 1, 2, 3. Okay. So this is my favorite outfit. Okay. White t-shirt with black half pants. Man, it's not that hard to vlog like this, especially if you keep moving. Okay, I used to come here every day. I was in college for 1 year, then I used to come here every day for 1 year, about a year. and I used to go to that place called Hooghly.
For the kind attention of the passengers, train number 37218 down Bantan Howrah local is arriving on platform number 1 Onugro
Okay, this is the women's compartment. Okay, so if you are a woman, you can stand here for a special compartment. And we are at one of the extreme ends of Chandanagar station. Then I'll take you guys to the platform number 2 and then to the platform number 3. A lot of people have to come here early in the morning to catch their train. Man, where am I going? There is a little bit of road, so I thought let's go there. Then I'll take the U-turn. Then I'll go to platform number 2 and 3. Then I'll go the other way. I'll show you a little bit of the market. Bow Bazar, Kola Bazar. I have been talking about this. I'll show you guys the market. Then I will head for my home. Some other days I will do what? Chandanagar. Bengali, Hindi, English. Okay, MSN 5857M. Whatever that means. But this is the extreme end of the Chandanagar platform. Now I need to go back. Then I'll take the overbridge, and then yes, waiting for their train. Man, if you can get up early in the morning, you can see so many things, man. It's so good. Let's see if the train is loaded with people or it's empty. Let's see. I can see that train is coming with the yellow light. Let's not get in their way. Let's maintain some distance from the train. Howrah. The train is going to Howrah. Yeah, it's pretty empty, so no rushing. Like in Mumbai, we have so much rushing. They have got so much let the train go away, then I'll say. Actually, they had so much staff and very little amount of time. Okay, so that's why they were rushing so much. Okay, there are 2 ways to cross the track right now, actually 3 ways. So you can just go like this, or you can take the overbridge or the underground path. So there are these 3 ways. When you sleep for like 6-8 hours, then you wake up, then your voice is pretty deep. We are recording for 14 minutes and now it is 5:25 in the morning. That guy was having a lot of fish in that blue thing. I can see the overbridge over there. I'll take that overbridge and I'll go to the platform number 2 and 3. Some big stations like Bandel and Howrah. Okay, they have a lot more platforms, but Chandanagar has 3 platforms, and it's pretty clean, you can say. A long time ago, I was here to vlog, and there was somebody sitting over there, and they started objecting my vlogging. Man, somebody was sitting over there and begging. I don't like to see people begging. Okay, let me tell you this. If you take this road, it goes to Bandel, Bardhaman, Katwa. And when you take this road, it goes to Howrah. Okay? So let's take the steps down. Then we'll take the right turn. Yeah, some people are selling mangoes, lychees. It's good that I can kind of manage speaking in English. Okay, then everybody from India, everybody from the world can understand what I am saying. 5:27, I'm on platform number 3. You will get only up locals on platform number 3, but on 2 and 1 you also on 2 downs also come, ups also come, but at 1 only down locals come. Man, that part was broken down. I came here a few days ago, then I saw it. Probably for construction. So a little after, I'll take the U-turn and I'll go back. Man, look, Dale, if you're watching this video, this is like the best lighting you can have. Just before the sunrise and just after the sunset, something like that. Okay, like for this smooth light effect. Otherwise, if you are recording in the middle of the day, then you will get harsh shadows. Cow. Some bathroom is there available. Okay. Man, there are so many news channels which make their content in English. India Today, NDTV. So, yeah, this is where I am. I'll need to take the U-turn. I can see the bypass, Chandanagar bypass. I went there on 26th May, I'm guessing, with my cycle. This is really great. I better do it every morning. My hand is getting a little sore, but nowadays I am more used to it. Yeah, I can see a lorry is going on the bridge. Okay, so EMU stop. So this is the extreme end of platform number 2 and platform number 3. So, but now let's go back. I can see there is a little bit of fog build-up on my front screen. It's okay. This time I'll take the underground path. Okay. Man, 2 birds are there. There was a time when I was basically just conversing. I was growing at a pace, and nowadays when I have multiple channels, I do multiple types of content. I have like more wholesome of an experience, growing much faster. That's what I feel like. So you can, like, some YouTubers don't understand this, but you can understand this when you try it. Man, I better make some distance from the tracks. I have seen a lot of dangers dangerous things happen. Urinal gents. Okay. And man, Chandanagar now has CCTV cameras. Okay, let's do it. So I just had like some water, 8-9 biscuits, and then I had come out. Next time, before I come out, I'll be having like some chickpeas, I'll be having some almonds, so then I'll have even more energy. Bajrang Baliji. Okay, I can once again see platform number 1.
Train number 37211 of Howrah Bandel local is arriving on platform number 3 Onuguro में दाई शाखा 3 शादुई of Howrah Bandel local 3 number platform में आश्चे.
Guys, a train is coming from Howrah which will go to Bandel. Okay, and it will also stop in the stations in between, like other stations like Lilua, Srirampur, like all the stations. So Howrah Bandel local is coming on the other platform, platform number 3. Okay. If you make vlogs in Hindi or Bengali, then people can watch your vlogs. Okay, not all of them, but a lot of them can watch your vlogs, but they cannot learn a language from your vlogs. So, I mean, they cannot learn English, you know. But on these vlogs, you guys can learn any learn English. Man, there is a mic which is yelling. Bardhaman Howrah. A train is coming from Bardhaman which will go to Howrah, and that's coming on platform number 1. Okay. Okay, what is that called? Subway. Way to Subway. Bhugarbhostho Path. Let's go there. Okay, so this is the end. And now I need to go down. Okay. Some people are selling flowers. Okay. Let's see. Okay. Now I'll take a little bit of walk, and then I will go to the market, Bow Bazaar or Bow Market. Okay. Then I'll head back for home. 23 minutes. This camera can record for about 1 hour and 30 minutes. Nandita Sweets. I have come here before. And over here I can see new Nandita Sweets. নেশা মুক্তি কেন্দ্র ভর্তি ছাড়াই সুস্থ হবে 100% guarantee. So there is a center which is claiming they can claim. I'm running out of words. A few days ago we had a carnival over here. So 5:30 in the morning, Thursday, okay, 2024, 30th May. আমাদের উঠবে বাবু।
Let's go. If you want to ask me questions, ask me in the comment section. Tomatoes.
চাপা এক মিনিট
Okay.
চাপতে থাক সামনে দিকটা ভাই বল কত করে লাগালে? হ্যাঁ 10 মিনিট কিনে পাঠালো 800 টাকা হাজার মনে হয় সেই শশা 200 টাকা পারলাম তোমরা থাকতে একটা কিছু ব্যবস্থা করতে পারছো না
Man.
আরে আপনি জিনিস নেবেন
Man.
Man, this place is a little too busy. I mean, it's good. Pia. Okay, let's go. Okay, now I'll go under the shades. Okay. I need to go under the shade. Like there. Okay. Okay. Almost out of the place. Okay. Man, safe and sound. Yes. Some people are calling me a cameraman. Yes, which I am. Now I need to walk a little for about 10 minutes. Then I am back to my home. Man, walking is much easier, way more easier than jogging. You know, jogging is like very exhausting, but walking, I can walk pretty fast. Das Medical. sometimes I would come here to buy those oil fried things, chop, vegetable, aloo. New Das Sweets. I have come here before, bought that Amriti and that 10 rupee mango. Okay, ATM. We have an ATM over here. I have come here before, especially to update some passbooks. Okay, I can see 4 pigeons sitting on the wire. It's a good road for morning walking. So this road has a market on it, so that's why it's a little congested. But the other roads at this time are pretty, like, let's say, like you can easily do it, like not that congested. Man, that man was short. Some people pay like a lot of money to get taller. Okay, Wonderland Park on the left. Wonderland Park on the left. Sometimes I get a little nervous while talking in public. Okay, I don't know why, but it's okay. Somebody said it's okay or thik ache. Loknath Traders, I have come here before. Okay, now I'll take the left turn and I'll go back to my house. There are so many pigeons over there, you can see, eating some puffed rice. Yuva Sangha, Jubo Shongho, Yuva Sangha. So what did I see in the market? I mostly saw like mangoes, lychees, bananas, some fish, some vegetables. Okay, so okay. After about an hour, there would be more fish sellers in the market. That's the east direction. I saw 2 local boys. Okay, I saw 2 local boys. One of them was on a van and the other one was over here, named Foche. My mother sometimes goes to his store to buy fruits. Okay, 39 minutes. Takes a lot of time to walk. Like if you're riding a bike, then you can cover the distance pretty easily. Like in a minute, you can cover a kilometer in a minute. But you cannot really see what's going on in there. So that's why if I have to vlog, I prefer walking instead of like biking. But motor vloggers are also good. It depends on what type of content you are making. Man, I am getting a little sweaty. Okay, we have got the Wonderland Park over there. Wonderland Park, Chandanagar Municipal Corporation. I once tried to go in with my camera, but in the ticket counter, they said you cannot vlog inside. But I managed to vlog anyway. Okay. I keep saying okay to calm down my own nerves. If I get too like hyper like that, to calm down my own nerves. Something is getting built. I don't know what that is. Okay, I see somebody's picking flowers. Whatever. I'm here out basically for a morning walk to show you guys what it's like to the market. Okay, I better mark some other interesting places, which places I can visit, and I'll also show you guys those places. So man, the street lamps are still on. Okay, the street lamps are still on. Over there we have got a store for like wine, Imperial Blue. Taste the thrill. You better not taste the thrill. You know what I mean? There are a lot of good things in the world, like morning walking. Don't do anything addictive which is bad. Okay. So some train tracks are coming. Chandanagar station in which direction? Probably on the left. Chandanagar station. I'm not sure, man. Let me get on top of the tracks, then I'll tell you in which direction Chandanagar station is. Okay. Man, there is a pond over here on the left. There is a pond. One of my friends live on the other side of the pond. We became friends when we studied like from a coaching center. His name is Sion Coaching Center. Okay, so I've got the railway tracks over there. I'll take the stairs and I'll go up. Then I'll try to see in which direction Chandanagar station is. It was pretty easy to get up. I can clearly see in which direction Chandanagar station is. Chandanagar station is on the left. Okay, let the train go, then we will cross the railway tracks. A train is coming from the behind. Howrah, it is going to Howrah. Just a little ago we were over there in Chandanagar station. So this vlog is not going to be any longer than 1 hour. So we'll conclude this vlog in 1 hour. Generally I calm down. Okay. Last time I tried to jog, guys, and my GoPro turned off, you know, like because of a jerk. Yeah, probably there is a train. There is a little field over here. Okay, I can start jogging, guys, but I won't start jogging because I cannot risk getting my GoPro turned off. And you can see that the house is getting constructed just next to our house. Man, that bird is trying to fly in this direction, but the wind is in the other direction. Okay, so that's the house which is getting constructed. And over here, let me show you, it's saying Hindi is not our national language. So some people think Hindi is the national language of India, but it's not. Hindi isn't. English also is not the national language of India. Okay, India doesn't really have a national language. So this is their house. A couple of days ago, a kid lost his ball, cricket ball. What other type of that kid lost his cricket ball. So, man, finally I'm back, man. I'm here. No, let's not climb on top of the fence. I'm here. Oh. Look at that. I have fed them before, so I don't think they are any threat to me. They are just minding their own fucking business. Hey! Go! Bloody mind your own fucking damn business. Okay, some flowers over there. Man, if you don't know, I got scratched by a cat, and I have taken 4 shots for that bite, and I need to take one more shot, which is on 3rd June. Okay, I now need to cross the fucking fence, then I can go back to my house like that. Pretty good, man. You gotta keep pushing your limits, otherwise you can't grow. That's the way, man. You gotta make yourself uncomfortable and make that your new comfortable. That's how you grow, man. Look at that comfort zone map. Then there is this comfort zone, then there is fear zone, then growth zone, learning zone. Like, look at that map. That map would explain better. Oh fucking lord, I told her to close the door, but she kept the door open. But whatever, 48 minutes, less than 1 hour. So I kept my promise, and you guys can also subscribe to my channel to see daily vlogs and such vlogs too. Once in a while I also upload such vlogs on my channel. So that's another thing. There is a little fog on the, it seems there is a little fog on the lens, and it seems that the video is getting foggy, but the video quality is probably good. It was the same thing was happening when I was learning how to ride a bike. The same was happening, but whatever. Loved it, man. I love pushing my limit. I love going to the uncomfortable from comfortable, because I know that's the only way to grow. So okay, do subscribe, and see you in the next video.